The Yamaha YZ125 is a testament to engineering excellence, designed for riders who demand agility and power.
The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 carries its legacy forward as a lightweight, high-revving two-stroke built for riders who live for motocross. It's sharp, responsive, and seriously fun. Known for its razor-precise handling and explosive mid-to-top-end power, this 125 cubic centimeters machine continues to dominate attention in the 125 class. Engine and performance. At its heart is a liquid-cooled 125 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine equipped with Yamaha's YPVS power valve system. The result? Crisp throttle response and hard-hitting acceleration that feels alive the moment you twist the grip. The smooth-shifting 6-speed transmission keeps the power right where you need it, whether you're carving tight corners or charging down a long straight. Chassis and suspension. The lightweight aluminum frame delivers the perfect balance of strength and agility. It feels planted, yet incredibly nimble. KYB fully adjustable suspension adds confidence, soaking up rough terrain and big jumps while maintaining precise control. Brakes and wheels, strong disc brakes at the front and rear, provide reliable, confidence-inspiring stopping power. Lightweight wheels enhance agility, helping you corner with accuracy and flow. Design and features. The 2026 model features refreshed graphics, slim bodywork, and an aggressive, race-ready stance. With minimal electronics, the focus stays exactly where it belongs, on the rider and the thrill of the ride. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 remains true to its racing roots. It's light, it's fast, and it's built to win.